hello, welcome to Top channel. Again, we are here with Mr. Ram Prakash Reddy. He is a wonderful speaker in his first interview. Now, again, with interesting topic that is one and only thing PUBG, which is famous in India, not only in India but entire world. Before going into the interview, I want to say one thing about this person. While he was in the office also, he is always used to play PUBG. I'm not responsible if your boss is watching this video. And within no time, we can start our interview.
Hello Pratap. No problem. As you said, even if my boss is watching this video, there is nothing to do with it. Actually, sometimes I used to play with him in some leisure timings. We have some half an hour of leisure time there to fresh our mind during work hours. So no problem if he's watching. He knows already I'm expert in PUBG, and I'm a very good pro player actually. So I used to play with my teams at night and with another teams at afternoons. Actually, I'm like dual role there. Sometimes I will play squad matches and also duo matches.
Okay, let us start with a basic question. Are you a pro player in PUBG?
The pro in the sense I'm not that pro actually. I cannot say myself. My squad will say how I will play and how I will kill the people, how I will handle if there are the only one person with entire squad I will kill within 3 minutes of time, like by with some tag kill the entire squad. Pro player, but I should not say that. You can check with my squad.
With your answer, we understood that you are a pro player in PUBG, and one day we will call your entire team for our interview. Let us go for the second question. Which weapon do you like? How many weapons you use daily, and what is your favorite weapon in it?
Yeah, this one of the interesting question. Like weapon in the sense, in a match I will use like 5 to 6 weapons in the entire match, but not the same weapon all the time from beginning to ending. When the time, like I am talking in classic matches. In classic matches, for the first 10 minutes, definitely you need at least one air gun, and for the first 20 minutes, you need one at least one. You need snipers, especially bolt action rifles. One of the favorite bolt action rifle is AWM. But if you are using this at the end, there will be no use. Like in the last 10 minutes, when you are playing in the last 10 minutes, enemies will be nearby you. So you should not need any sniper at all. That time you need only shotguns and air. But for the entire match, definitely you need at least one AR gun. My favorite AR is M416 and M762. Like I will kill enemies anything with that two guns. I will use at least one in these two. Like
Without any delay, let us move to the other question. What type of matches are there in PUBG?
yeah, there are three types of matches most people will play. First one is classic, and second one is arcade, and third one is e-grants, means which are events. And in the first classic, it will go up to 30 minutes, maximum of 30 minutes, one match. And in arcade, there will be a quick match and war as well, like which will take maximum 10 to 15 minutes. And EU grants which will take up to 10 minutes maximum, like minimum of 5 minutes and maximum 10 minutes. These are the three types of matches in PUBG. Like most of the people used to play, 90% of the people will play classic, that too Erangel ground. There are three grounds in classic. One is Erangel and Shanok, and other one is desert. So these three grounds most of the people will play, that too Erangel mostly they will play.
Okay, there is a popular slogan that is rotating the entire world. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I have one doubt. What is that winner, winner, chicken dinner? They will offer you a chicken for your dinner.
Yes, Pratap, they will offer a chicken dinner meal with that winning. Everyone will play for that meal. Actually, PUBG is a virtual game. So that winner, winner, chicken dinner, that chicken meal is also virtual. So we'll get a plate of meal which will have entire hen. like total hen which is stuffed with some masala and roasted fully. That chicken they will give for dinner.
Initially, I thought that they will offer a real chicken for us, but later with your answer, I realized that it is a virtual. How many times you got that chicken dinner?
I got chicken dinner n number of times. That is countless, Pratap.
Let us move to the next question. Nowadays, we can see that many people are playing PUBG, like childrens. Do you suggest that PUBG is good for the children?
Definitely not. Children should not play PUBG. It is restricted to children. Where PUBG is designed and developed only for above 18 years of age. So, like when parents may give mobile to children, they may play PUBG without knowing them. But parents should be take care of them and they should restrict the children by playing PUBG.
Okay, let's move to the next question. Is married people will play PUBG?
Maybe I am not sure because I am unmarried. Sometimes married people as well as bachelors also will play PUBG. That but mainly in India, like who are studying students above 18 only, and also like software engineers and they are doing jobs but not married. They may like 70% of the people who are playing PUBG is unmarried. But yes, married people can also play PUBG. It is not restricted to those people. They can freely play PUBG. But there may be some restrictions to them if they are playing PUBG without like talking to their family and all. There may be some types of pressures to them. So there will be only 30% married people is playing PUBG.
Okay, next question is waiting for you. Say frankly, who is the favorite player? I mean, who is the best player in your PUBG team?
Pratap, in my squad, like one person will be strong in one area. There are like 5 to 6 players in my squad. At a time, like we'll play 4 members only. They're like Raja, Narendra, Robin, Somnath, and Ramu. They are the 5 players along with me. More both 6 are there. Each person is strong in one area. Like maybe one is strong in throwing grenades, and other is strong in killing the people with AR guns, and other is strong in killing the people with headshots using bolt action rifles. But Raja is the blessed player who is killing like taking care of the people with any gun. He is used to use throw bombs as well as kill people with AR guns.
Okay, what is your profession and how much time you play PUBG in weekends and weekdays?
I am a software engineer. I'll play like half an hour to 1 hour in weekdays and 2 to 3 hours in weekends. PUBG will remind every 2 hours you are playing more than 2 hours a day. But finally you can play up to maximum of 8 hours. After that, PUBG will not allow you to play more than 8 hours in a day.
Okay, what's your opinion of ban of PUBG in India?
Yeah, it is good that it banned in India because of like some of the Chinese company had the shares in PUBG, Tencent games, so that they banned PUBG in India. Now they made like all arrangements to release PUBG in India. Also now the virtual game PUBG is already there in Play Store and people are downloading it. But more people when like it is not banned in India, main PUBG game, everyone is playing and they are addicted more than 8 hours a day with the changing accounts. Everyone is playing. But now I should not see like that much addicted to like PUBG. Everyone now somewhat they are playing, not like before. It is good, like they are seeing it as a game now.
How to become strong in PUBG? Give me some tips for my viewers.
Everyone is going for rushing game in PUBG. Like they want kills. That's it. But everyone should not go for rush. If you want to become stronger than all, you should play like you should not go for rush. You should play intelligent and you should use your tactics here. You should hide somewhere with your team and always stay with your team. You should not go away from your team. And also, like staying far away, you should use first bolt action rifles. If any one of the person in other squad is dead, then you should go for rush. This will become the plus point for your team. So by playing this, using this type of tactics, you can win the chicken dinner.
Okay, last question is waiting for you. How to earn skins and dresses in PUBG?
There are some events in PUBG is going on, Royal Pass events. You should clear the all the events within time. Every day events and week events and monthly events is going on. So for every 2 months, Royal Pass will be changing and events will be changing. So if you clear that events for every 5 levels, you will get a skin or gun skin or your dress or some good items. So to earn that, you can also play that event, play for the events, as well as with money you can buy UC, and with that UC you can buy skins and dresses as well.
Okay, Mr. Ram Prakash Reddy, we are very happy about your useful tips and some other information regarding to PUBG. Hope the viewers will be very happy and viewers will like our interview. Hope every PUBG player will like this interview. Please share and subscribe Village Top.